Hello everyone, I am here with a flip through of our Grape Roses journal. The cover is made out of a Reader's Digest condensed book, which has been gutted. The finished size is approximately 5.5 by 7 3/4. And I've simply gutted the book. I've used a piece of lace trim here with some newsprint and a piece from the Grape Roses kit by Elsie Bell's Bookshelf, some flatback pearls, and this is just a little bit of organza. And on the back I've kept it relatively simple with just a book page and one of the pieces from the kit. I took the background pages and shrunk them down to half size and just sewed around the card. I've got a simple organza ribbon closure. So on the inside I have a pocket, which we did together. This is half of a craft envelope. I will put the playlist for this journal below so that if you missed any of the videos you can watch those. I've got a large tag here that I cut from one of the background pages. This is a piece that was the cover from the original book pages that matches the end papers here. Oops, I think I had that in here. I've got a small little tag here, and then this is a ticket from the kit itself. This is also from the kit. I've sewn around that. I have sewn around the pocket, and there's some lace trim here. I have added a little bit of purple trim to some of the pages. All of the designer pages are from the Grape Roses kit by Elsie Bell's Bookshelf. I will also link that below. This is a music page from, I don't know, it's been in my stash, and this just happened to be where I ran out of yellow ink, and so it was purple, and I thought, how perfect for this journal. I've got some coffee dyed paper here with a book page belly band, which we also did together. Got an envelope that I've cut from some background pages. There is some lined paper. Here's our CD, altered CD sleeve that we did together. I have left this open on the side for an additional pocket, and then of course this tag, the large tag in the pocket there. I've got another craft envelope that can stash some secret things in. Here's another piece of the designer page with some purple trim. This is some coffee dyed paper that my daughter did with the plastic tablecloth that turned out so cool. And this is the little belly band, or not belly band, but the little folio that we did together, and that will also be in the playlist. Has a cute little belly band sleeve that slides on and off. Another piece of designer paper, got some white doily, some dictionary page. Here's a large envelope that I cut from one of the background pages. I've got a couple of journal cards in here, just some lined journal card and one of the Grape Roses. Another designer page with the purple trim. I've got a small envelope here with a couple of little journal tags. Another piece of coffee dyed paper. This is a pocket that I made. What I did was I took all the background pages and I shrunk them down to half size and printed them on cardstock. And so all I've done to make this envelope was I scored a 1/2 inch on either side. This is one of the pages cut in half, so it's a half of a page. But I turned it sideways, made a thumb hole, and then just scored so I could get these items in the pocket. And I've got a journal card here and another one here, and just a small little tag with lines for journaling. Here's the center page. I've just tied a little bit of trim in the middle. I just love this page. It was so pretty, so I wanted to just showcase that. Here's another one of the pockets that I made from one of the background pages. If you're interested in seeing how I did that, just leave a comment below and I'll do a real quick video of that. But I think it's really pretty basic. But if you'd like, I will do that for you. And just a couple of journal cards in this pocket. That's on some coffee dyed paper as well. The other side of that small envelope with a couple of journal tags. Another page from the kit, coffee dyed paper, dictionary doily. The other side of that page of the kit. Lots of writing room in here. I tried to leave lots of space. I've just got a corner tuck here with a journal card, a designer paper. This is a really pretty kit. Craft envelope. This one I've made into a tuck spot so you could put something larger in there if you'd like. Another lined paper. Coffee dyed paper. Here's one of the altered paper clips that we did with one of the snippet trims. That's also in the playlist. The other side of the music paper and that designer paper. And that was the first signature. In the second signature, we've got some designer paper with a purple trim, another piece of music paper. Here's another altered paper clip cluster, some lined paper, another tuck spot with a journal tag, the craft envelope, more purple trim. Here's the other corner pocket with journal card inside. Did I miss something? Feels funny. Okay, and then this can also be journaled on. Like I said, lots of journal space. Doily, dictionary page, coffee dyed paper, the designer paper with the lace trim, and a couple more journal tags inside the small envelope. Here's another one of those pockets that I made from the background. I've just got a couple of journal cards, and all these journal cards I've made just from cutting out the background pages, and I believe it was I think I did 5x7 for those because because of the size of these books, I printed the pages at 8x10, and then I did 5x7 for the journal cards. There's the center of that. Isn't that pretty? Again, a piece of lace trim. Another pocket. This one has a journal card and a journal card and a line tag. Other small envelope with a couple of tags. Coffee dyed paper, dictionary, doily. Here's the flip out book that we did together. That flips all the way out. If you'd like to see more about that, that will also be in the playlist. And I've just clipped that on here so that it can be moved. Designer page, craft envelope, coffee dyed paper with another one of our altered CDs. Some lined paper. Here's the other belly band with a lined journal card here and another envelope cut from one of the background pages. That purple back of that music paper, and then the end. And then I've got another large pocket back here where I've got the large tag here. It fits snug in there. A medium size, I think I'll put this in here, medium size tag, journal card, and a smaller tag. And then this is one of the pieces of ephemera from the kit. This is also from the kit, and then I've got some lace trim. So that is that. I have also put a piece of lace along the binding, but I haven't covered it completely because I think it's kind of cool to see what it was. You can't really read the books that were inside, but you can see that it was a Reader's Digest, and I think that adds to the I don't know, just the nature of it. So anyway, I hope you like that. This will be listed on my Etsy store later today. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.